guys, I'm back with another video. Guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. First, I'd like to apologize for not uploading for 2 months. I know it's been a long time, um, but don't worry guys, I'm back and I'm here to stay. So guys, I have a very exciting video for you guys today. Today I'm be showing you LeOS. So it's essentially a GSI, but they have taken Google out of it. So I know you guys might be thinking like, what's the point of having this GSI if you can't download your Google apps? But this, because some people think that Google tracks you and they do your information, which is true in to an extent. But this GSI eliminates Google, but you can still install Google applications via APK. Google services still work, but it just limits the tracking that Google does on you. You guys might be asking, oh, does Google Maps work? It does work, but only in the browser. It will not work inside the app. But anyways, let me just show you some settings as usual. But it does have all the customization features that you would normally find in a GSI. So I'm just showing you some settings right here, like usual. So yeah, guys, I'm just showing this guys on the screen. Let me just talk to you about the future projects. Very exciting news from A7 2018. Android 13 is coming for the A7 2018, guys. I've been working very hard on a GSI. It will be out very soon. So as soon as it gets ready, guys, upload the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and keep like and make sure you hit the bell icon. Also, guys, One UI 4.1 is coming to the A7 2018 via a ROM that me and someone else is making. Hope you guys are excited for that. If you guys are, please comment down below on what video you guys want to see next. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So essentially that was the settings. Now I'm just showing you guys the GSI alone is super smooth. There's no lag. There's very minimal bugs. The camera works. Obviously you need to download a third-party camera, but everything is super smooth. Network works, Bluetooth works, so everything standard works, guys. More updates, Pixel Experience Plus, GSI also got an update, guys. I'll update you guys on that. Also, Lineage OS is also getting a new update for Android 13. I'll also update you guys on that. So yeah, guys, Android 13 GSIs are coming. Videos are coming out very soon. If you guys are excited for it, guys, please smash the subscribe button. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the year ends, but I think we can hit it by November or early October. That's the goal, guys, or maybe in mid-September. But for that, I have to upload, guys. I'm just gonna upload consistently for you guys. And I swear I have to stop saying guys. I know I've been reading you guys' comments here. Guys just said it again. I keep saying guys. But anyways, I don't know. I've been less motivated, but today I had the motivation to upload a video. Obviously, it's gonna take me some time to get it back going, but I think it's capable. But anyways, guys, I'm back and I'm here to stay. That's it. So anyways, the display settings, you can change the resolution, make it expanded or anything. But guys, one thing I've noticed that this GSI is super smooth. I've tested a lot, as you can see as my channel. It's based on that. This is one of the smoothest GSIs I've tested in a long time. I don't know if it's because they didn't include Google services in this, but it's super duper smooth. You also have root access from the browser without actually having root access, which is awesome because Google actually stops it, but this enables it. You also have rotation. I do apologize for the resolution. It's the camera screen recorder. System settings, guys. So you have all the gestures. You have the new style of the gesture navigations with that one thing. Everything is super snappy, guys. So yeah, more gestures. Let's go back. So yeah, guys, this is the internal settings. So like, since you don't have Google account, you can turn these specific settings on and off as you wish, because Google has this thing that if you don't have a certain thing, some things won't work. For example, Netflix. If you don't have this Google like security link, it will not load Netflix. But here in the options, you can see you can enable it. So there's some settings you need for it to run, but they have included in there, so you can turn it off as you play. Safety net, it's called. The GSI also has split view. if you guys are interested in multitasking. I use it all the time. It's amazing. So yeah, guys, as this video comes to an end, again, I'm back. I'm here to stay. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.